A new AI feature just dropped from XAI. It runs in the background while you sleep and sends you the results when you wake up. It's an automation feature inside Grok called Tasks. It's capable of scheduling any AI prompt to run automatically daily, weekly, or monthly, and delivering the results straight to your email or notifications. Right now, I'm just on x.com, and so here on Grok page, you can see that down here I have this new pop-up which says I can create a recurring task, and when I click on it, it will take you to grok.com, and this is where you should be. And so you have to log in with your Google account or with your X account, and here I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. So you have to be on grok.com to use this feature. When you log into your account here, as you can see, we are logged in. Just zoom in a little bit so you can see everything clearly. On this bottom left side, you can see this profile icon. Just click on it. You see the tasks showing here. When you click on this, this is where you will be, and here you can create tasks, right? This is a beautiful interface here for the tasks. And you can see here we can create a daily stock tracker, receive a weekly sports update, or whatever you want to do. So this is beautiful, this is good. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to set up a task called Morning AI News Update. I'll just click a new task, and I want it to run daily. So this is the frequency here, and you can choose the time when you want it to run. So I would love it to run every, every morning around 6:30, or just 6 hours. It's fine with me. I'll just set this time, and here on the instructions, what do I want it to do, right? You can set this instruction. So what I want it to do, for me, I just want it to search X, and it is going to be, I'll give it this prompt here. I want it to search X and the web for the top 3 AI announcements or updates from the last 24 hours, including the company name, what changed, and why it matters. So I can also expertise it, or you can just you can turn this on and off. All you have to do here is just set the frequency and what time you want this task to be running on, and the instruction, what do you want it to do. And also you can just click on create task. If I click on this, I'll have a task created. Just like that, you can see here successfully created a task. So this is going to be running every morning around 06. And when you create it, it's going to show on top here like that. And because it is running right now, I can pause it. You can also edit it. When I click here, I can see, I can come back here and change the time if I want, and change the frequency if I want. Maybe you want it running weekly, monthly, or yearly. It's up to you to choose how you want it to run. Now, this is powerful because if you're a content creator, this means automatic trend research, topic discovery, and idea generation, while other creators are spending their whole entire morning scrolling and looking for something interesting, taking notes. You'll have curated insights waiting in your inbox. Also, this is powerful for developers because now you will not miss important updates in the tech stack, right? You can set up tasks to monitor GitHub release, Stack Overflow trends, or specific technology announcements. The old way would have taken 30 minutes daily minimum. That's the difference between knowing these tools and not knowing them. Try it out, test it, and tell me what you think about this new developments. Otherwise, it's just a tool. It's a very powerful tool. I think it's very useful tool for content creators, business owners, and anyone who would love to research or anything. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any questions concerning this tool, drop them in the comments. I'll respond to you. See you in the next one. Bye.